Every season carries medicine. The solstice teaches us that even in the longest night, light is already on its way back. This ritual honors that return inside and out. The Solstice Ritual Kit was designed to help you mark transition, not as a loss, but as a transformation. Light and dark exist in partnership. One cannot be sacred without the other. This kit isn't just a collection of items. It's an invitation to pause and acknowledge the deep, quiet wisdom of winter. It's a way to honor the stillness before the return of growth, to find strength in the darkness, and to prepare your spirit for the light's inevitable return. Begin your ritual at dusk. Find a quiet space where you can be undisturbed. As you light the candle from your kit, watch the flame dance, a small sun in your hands. On the paper provided, write down what this past season taught you, the grief you held, the lessons you learned, the resilience that surprised you. Don't hold back. Let the words flow from your heart. Once you're finished, read what you wrote aloud, letting the flame bear witness to your journey. Then, fold the page and hold it to your heart. Take a deep breath and whisper, "I carry forward only the light." This simple act is a powerful declaration, releasing what no longer serves you and embracing the wisdom gained. You might be surprised to learn that this is more than just a beautiful practice. There's science behind it. Exposure to natural light helps regulate serotonin and melatonin, the chemicals in our brain that stabilize our mood and sleep patterns. Seasonal rituals aren't superstition. They are a form of synchronization, aligning your body's internal rhythm with the turning of the earth. In this way, light becomes medicine, and the attention you give to the moment becomes a prayer. After your ritual, carry this intention into the next day. As the sun rises, open your curtains. If you can, step outside for just a moment. Feel the first rays of sunlight touch your face. Close your eyes and remember, you are made of the same light you seek. You're part of this natural, beautiful cycle of renewal. In the next episode, we'll explore the Lunar Cycle Kit, learning how our bodies move through phases just like the moon in the sky. To continue on the healing journey with us, please subscribe. You can download the Solstice Ritual Kit or the complete healing bundle at our website. Thank you for being here. Remember, even the darkest night ends in sunrise.